Yes, good morning America and Vietnam, good morning Australia and Vietnam, and good morning New Zealand and Vietnam. My name is Nguyen. I am preparing up here in front of you once again. Good morning Vietnam, good morning to you, especially in capital city of Hanoi, Vietnam, or Ho Chi Minh City, newly Saigon, Vietnam. Good morning to all of you in 63 cities in Vietnam. My name is Nguyen. I am preparing up here in front of you. I'll let you know that. I'll let you know the time. Are you ready, set, go? Good morning, Vietnam. Good morning to you in capital city of Hanoi, Vietnam. And good morning to you in Ho Chi Minh City and especially 63 cities in Vietnam. My name is Nguyen. I am preparing up here in front of you now. Yes, I'll let you know the time today. Exactly. Okay. Good morning, Vietnam. Good morning to you. Everything under control. Yes. Thưa các bạn, các đồng chí, tôi là Nguyen. Xin xuất hiện trên kênh đài của tôi ở quốc gia này. Thưa các bạn, các đồng chí. Ok. Sau đây thì tôi sẽ thông báo giờ giấc cho các bạn biết. Hôm nay là ngày giờ. Thưa các bạn, hôm nay là sáng thứ ba ngày 23 tháng 8 2022, thu hình lúc 9 giờ 56 phút sáng giờ Úc Châu. Xin lặp lại lần thứ hai. Thưa các bạn, các đồng chí, hôm nay là sáng thứ ba ngày 23 tháng 8 2022, thu hình lúc 9 giờ 56 phút sáng. Và xin các bạn là lặp lại lần thứ ba bằng tiếng Anh. Tiếng Mỹ. Today, Tuesday morning, 23rd August or August 23rd, year 2022, record time 9:57 a.m. postcarding from Australia. Its equivalent is nearly 10 a.m. postcarding from Australia. Tôi xin cúp điện thoại thưa các bạn, các đồng chí. Rồi, bây giờ tôi sẽ thông báo cho các bạn. Tôi tiến ra camera để kiểm tra lại máy quay phim coi nó có hoạt động hay không. Thưa các bạn, ok, camera tôi tốt. Đây là phòng học của tôi. Và thưa các bạn, chúng ta... Sorry các bạn, tôi xem đồng hồ. Yeah. Đây là 10 giờ sáng rồi các bạn nhé. Tôi cúp điện thoại các bạn. Tôi cúp điện thoại mà nó chưa có cúp. Ok, bây giờ chúng ta là 10 giờ sáng, thưa các bạn, các đồng chí. Tôi xin phép trình bày cho các bạn là chương trình của tôi có 60 phút. Tôi ở quốc gia Australia. Trước khi vào đề thì tôi nói cho các bạn biết rõ là cái chương trình này là tôi dạy bằng tiếng Anh, hoàn toàn không có nói tiếng Việt. Chương trình toán quốc tế gồm có nước Anh, nước Úc, New Zealand, Canada, nước Mỹ cùng học cái bộ toán này chung với nhau trên thế giới. Và tôi dạy như vậy thiện nguyện. Thì một lesson là 1 tiếng đồng hồ. Và từ giờ phút này trở đi các bạn sẽ không thấy tôi nói tiếng Việt Nam, bởi vì tôi học bên này hoàn toàn tiếng Anh, tiếng Mỹ hết, thưa các bạn nhé. Thôi bây giờ chúng ta bắt đầu vào lớp học. Chương trình này áp dụng cho các em, con trai và con gái tuổi từ 15 tới 16 tuổi học lớp 10 để chuẩn bị sang năm 2023 sẽ học lớp 11 và sau đó sẽ học lớp 12 và thi toán quốc tế và đi du học thế giới. Nếu các bạn có điểm cao thì các trường ở bên Úc, bên Mỹ, các nước họ cho các bạn học bổng. Ok, thì bây giờ từ giờ phút này trở đi là các bạn sẽ không thấy tôi nói tiếng Việt Nam nữa và tôi nói tiếng Anh. Tôi sẽ lấy cái chuông tôi bấm giờ giấc cho các bạn. Rồi chuẩn bị các bạn vào học nhé. Lớp học của tôi sẽ có 60 phút, một tiết học có 60 phút. Thưa các bạn, tôi gõ chuông. Và từ giờ phút này trở đi các bạn biết là lớp này là lớp 10. Hôm nay chúng ta học bộ toán gọi là đại số. Và tôi nói hoàn toàn bằng cái tiếng Anh và tiếng Mỹ. Cho nên các bạn ở nhà các bạn không có trình độ thì không học lớp toán này được. Bắt buộc các em phải học xong lớp 9 và bạn học lớp 10. Ok, tôi bắt đầu gõ chuông thưa các bạn. Từ giờ phút này trở đi trong 60 phút tôi sẽ nói tiếng Anh. Chương trình này sẽ được dạy là mỗi tuần ít nhất là 2 hay 3 lần. Thiện nguyện không có lấy tiền các bạn nhé. Thì dạy trên kênh tiếp. Rồi, bây giờ chúng ta bắt đầu. Tôi đã cúp điện thoại rồi. Và bây giờ chúng ta bắt đầu vào. Đây là tôi soạn giáo trình rồi. Ok. Let's start from now. We got, this is mathematics, year 10. It means good morning everybody in Vietnam. From now on, I do not speak Vietnamese anymore. Only we speak English. If you can't understand English, you can't study this mathematics. This is the math teaching in Australia, in New Zealand, in England, in Canada or USA is the same. Okay? So now this apply for year 10. The boy 15 years old or 16 years old, boys and girls study these subjects. Let me think the first subject is algebraic simplification. We start from now. Okay, boys and girls? Okay, take your pen and write it down. Okay, number 1. In algebra, we used both numeral and pronumeral. Full stop. If you do not understand numeral and pronumeral, you need to take dictionary next to you. Algebra, we use both numerals and pronumeral. The topic we study today is algebraic simplification. If you do not understand this, you have to ask your math teacher or Vietnamese interpreter and translator, because I cannot help you to do this in Australia. We do it in English. If the pronumeral part, if the pronumeral parts of the term of an expression are identical, comma, the terms are called lighter, S, underline like term, underline that. I'll read that again. In algebra, we use both numerals and pronumerals, full stop. If the pronumeral parts of the terms of an expression are identical, comma, the terms are called like term. Example. A the power of 4, B the power of 3, N 7, A the power of 4, A4, B3. Okay. If the pronumeral if the pronumeral parts of the term are not identical, the term are called unlike term. Full stop. Example 3AB and 3AB squared. Okay? So underline unlike term. I say that again. If the topic we are studying today, I say that again, algebraic, algebraic, simplification, This is the topic today. And I will let you know that this is year 10. Math. Math means mathematics. Got it? Year 10 math. I said that again in front of you. The topic we are studying focus today is called algebraic simplification. Definition. In algebra, we use both numerals and pronumerals, full stop. If the pronumeral parts of the terms of an expression are identical, the terms are called like term. Underline, please. Like terms. Example. A the power of 4, B the power of 3, or we call A4, B3, and 7A4, B3, thus we call like terms. If the pronumeral parts of the term are not identical, the terms are called unlike term. Example, 3AB and 3AB squared. This is not like term, but it's unlike term because AB squared. I have a look the camera and have a look. Yes. Okay. So now I have to focus in front of you so you can, boys and girls can copy down the definition of that. Let me see. I have to focus close so you can copy down. Okay. Okay, please. I hope so you can copy down. Because I bought a new camera, so you know my old camera is good. I don't know what happened to this camera. I hope you can see that. Yeah, I hope you can see that. Okay? Copy down for me, please, boys and girls. Okay? I read that again. I focus because camera is only like this. I'll read that again. Okay, let me see. H2O. Hopefully you can see, yes. Okay. Algebraic simplification year 10. In algebra, we use both numeral and pronumerals. If the pronumeral parts of the terms of an expression are identical, the terms are called like terms. Example, A the power 4, B the power of 3, or we call A4 B3 and 7 A4 B3. Full stop. If the pronumeral parts of the term are not identical, the terms are called unlike terms. Example, 3AB and 3AB squared are different. So we call that. Okay, next, please. (1.1) Addition and subtraction. We got that. 1.1 Addition and subtraction. Underline, this is the topic. In algebra, only like term. Underline, only like terms may be added or subtracted or subtracted. Example, A 4x plus 9x give you 13x. Yes. B 7 AC square plus 9 AC square give you 16 AC square. Yes. But C 3n plus 1 cannot simplify, cannot be simplified. Simplify. Yes. D 4x plus 9y cannot be simplified. Yes. Okay. Boys and girls, can you copy it out from me, please? We are talking about addition and subtractions. Let me see the camera, please. Yes, we focus close to that so you can copy it out, the second part of that. Let me see. Yes. Okay, we focus on that part. I read that again. 1.1, the lesson, addition and subtractions. In algebra, only like terms may be added or subtracted. Example A. 4x plus 9x gives you 13x because 4 plus 9 gives you 13 and x plus x gives you 13x. We call that addition, like terms. B. 7ac squared plus 9ac squared gives you 16ac squared. Got it? However, but, example C, 3n plus 1 cannot be simplified because 3n plus 1 is not like terms. Question D. 4x plus 9y cannot be simplified. Got that, boys and girls? Please? Okay. I say that again. Question 1.1, addition and subtraction. This is year 10, teaching in Australia, New Zealand, Canada, England, United States of America, you name it. I said that again from the beginning. Definitions. In algebra, we use both numerals and pronumerals. If the pronumeral parts of the term of n expressions are identical, the terms are called like terms. Example, A, the power of 4, B, the power of 3, and 7a, the power of 4, b, the power of 3. If the pronumeral parts of the terms are not identical, the terms are called unlike terms. Example, 3ab and 3ab squared. Lesson 1.1, addition and subtraction of year 10 algebra. In algebra, only like term may be added or subtracted. Example A, 4x plus 9x gives you 13x. Example B, 7ac squared plus 9ac squared gives you 16ac squared. But, example C, 3n plus 1 cannot be simplified. Got it? And D, 4x plus 9y cannot be simplified. Yes? So I move this bar a little bit. So I move in front of this and rub it down and okay, yes. We do the next one. Example E. On the right hand side. Example E. (12a) negative 3a gives you 9a. That's correct. Question F. 7y negative 15y gives you negative ay. Correct. But J, 3c squared negative 3y cannot be simplified. Full stop. Exercise 1a. Exercise 1a, boys and girls. And this exercise 1a is 18 marks. Simplify. Three dot. Question 1. Five x plus 12x plus 17x. You need to do this question for me, please. Once again, exercise, we start from now. Okay. And have a look, please. We move to the right hand side. Okay, close to that. So I explain to you example E. 12a negative 3a gives you 9a. Because we got like term, we can collect that. F. 7y negative 15y gives you negative. You have to understand positive, negative in year 9. Year 7, year 8, and year 9. This is year 10. But G, 3c squared negative 3y cannot be simplified. Now we start as exam. Now we are doing exercise 1a. Give you 18 marks. In this scenario, in this exercise, boys and girls, year 10, we are doing the topic go simplify. Question 1. 5x plus 12x plus 17x give you what? All you need to do is sit down and do straight away. However, I mentioned to you, you do not allow to use calculator. Why? Because boys and girls, you are lazy. You don't use your brain. You only touch your calculator. So in this exercise, we, the teacher in Australia, particularly me, my name is Joe Nguyen or Joseph Nguyen, I do not allow you to use calculator. All you need to use your brain. Do addition and subtraction, multiplication from year 7, year 8, year 9, and year 10. Do this in 1 minute, please. Example 1. This exercise. 5x plus 12x plus 17x. I need your answer in 1 minute if you're smart. And I do corrections. So remember that you got like term. 5x plus 12x plus 17x. All you need to do, you have to do, you do not allow to use calculator. So you got 17. First of all, we got 5x plus here. 5x plus 12x give you 17x plus 17x. Yes? So we did addition. 17 plus 17 give you 7 plus 7 give you 4. Yes? 14. You carry 1. So 1, 2, 3. The answer is 34x. So the answer in here is 34x. Right underline, right answer. You got 1 mark. Yes? Question B, please. Question 2, sorry. Question 2. 15c plus 21c plus 2c. Answer, please. I left you 1 minute to do this question, please. on the right hand side. Yep. Okay. This question 1 minute and 1 mark. You do not allow to use calculator. And write it down in the left hand side, please. This part. Okay. Wasn't good. Remember, you do not allow to use calculator. So I give you question number 2. We do this part first. 15C plus 21C plus 2C. Give you 21 plus 2 give you plus 23C. So 15C plus 23C. You need to show your teacher how to work it out. 23C plus 15C. So 5 plus 3 is 8. Yes? 2 plus 1 give you 2 plus 1 give you 3. So 30AC. The answer in this scenario is 38C. Underline and right answer. Remember that in this exercise you do not allow to use calculator. So the answer in this question 2 is 38C. Yes. Next we move to question 3. Question 3, please. 3A plus 7B plus 4A. I need the answer. Question 4, please. 2C plus 11D plus 9C. I need the answer, please. Question 5, please. 12A squared plus 5A plus 9A plus A squared. I need your answer, please. So you got question 3, 4, 5, each question 1 mark. I let you a few minutes to do that job for me, please, boys and girls. We got half an hour to finish our lesson today. Okay, we move to the right or left hand side for this. Okay, I zoom close to you to do this exercise, please. Yeah. I zoom close to you. Yeah. That part. Boys and girls, question 3 and 4, you do this for me. And our topic G10 today is algebraic simplification. Question 3. 3A plus 7B plus 4A. I need your answer in 1 minute. Okay, you do not allow to use calculator. Question 4. 2C plus 11D plus 9C. Your answer now, please. And question 5. 12A squared plus 5A plus 9A plus A squared. I need your answer now, boys and girls. Repeat, this is mathematics, the topic year 10 teaching, mathematics or maths, algebraic simplification, and teachings in Australia for boys and girls who are 15 years of age or 16 years of age. You need to pass year 7, year 8 and year 9 maths in high school. If you cannot pass year 9 maths last year or this year, you do not allow to study this class. This class is preparations for the advanced maths in year 11 and year 12 next year to study engineering and science course in university. Particularly, please. Announcement, you got 30 minutes to do. I said that again. On the right and left, on the left hand side of my side, question 3, you need to do that job. Okay? And teaching in English in Australia, my name is Nguyen. Question 3. 3A plus 7B plus 4A give you 1 minute, 1 mark. Question 4. 2C plus 11D plus 9C give you what? Do it now by collect line term only. Question 5. 12A squared plus 9A plus, 12A squared plus 5A plus 9A plus A squared. Do it now, please. And I gave you solution now. Question 3, 4, and 5, please. Okay, question 3. So we collect line term. So 3A, that's the line term. So the answer is here. 3A plus 4A, okay, plus 7B gives you this one. 3 plus 4 is 7A. Yes? Okay? And you got here plus 7A plus 7B. Underline, and that's the answer, right answer on top. Okay? So that's question 3. You got 7A plus 7B. The answer. Yes. Question 4, please. We collect line term. So you got 12A, question 4. 2C and 9C. That's the line term. So the answer is here. 2C plus 9C plus 11D. The answer is 11C, yes, plus 11D. You underline this, and you write on top answer. Okay, have a look question 4. Question 4 answer is 11C plus 11D. Yes. Okay, the last question. Question 3, question 4, question 5. Question 5, you collect line term. You got 12A squared, that's A squared line term. So the answer is question 5. 12A squared plus A squared plus 5A plus 9A. So the answer is 13A squared plus 14A. Underline. So the answer question 5 is 13A squared plus 14A. That's the answer. Yes, please. I double check, that's question 5. Okay, I double check question 5 answer. Question 5 answer is 13A squared plus 14A. Yes. Boys and girls, can you copy it down? If you got the same answer with me, you got 1 mark reward from me. Yes. Okay, I gave you solution and question 3, 4, and 5. Sit that again. Question 3. Algebraic simplification D10. 3a plus 7b plus 4a. All you need to do is collect like term. So 3a plus 4a is the like term we collect together. Plus 7b. So 3a plus 4a. A stand for apple. 3 apple plus 4 apple give you 7 apple. Apple. Yes. Plus 7b. Example. Question 4. 2c plus 11d plus 9c. We collect like term first from the beginning. So 2c plus 9c. You may say 2 cat plus 9 cat give you 11 cat plus 11d. That's the answer. Question 5. 12a squared plus 5a plus 9a plus a squared. We collect like terms. So in this scenario, question 5, 12a squared, we collect like term is a squared. So 12a squared plus a squared plus 9a plus 5a or plus 5a plus 9a. So the answer is 13a squared, because 12a squared plus a squared is 1a squared. So 13a squared plus 14a. So the answer in this question 5 is 13a squared plus 14a. That's the answer. Yes. Okay. Boys and girls, can you copy down? I write it down in the right hand side. Okay. I'll let you do this, do in the right hand side for this. Okay, next question 6. 6, 7, 8, and 9. Question 6, please. Mn plus 4m plus 3n plus 8mn. I need to answer question 6, 7, 9x negative 3x. Question 8, please. 12x negative 15x. Question 9, please. 6 a squared plus 3a plus 5a squared negative a. And question 10, please. M negative 4n plus 6n negative 3n. I need question 6, 7, 8, and 9, and 10, please. Boys and girls, each question I give you 1 minute to do, and you do not allow to use calculator, please. Okay? Have a look again. Okay, in the right hand side. I close the right hand side and I zoom close to that. Yes. Can you do this job for me in the right hand side? Boys and girls. I'll read that again. I'm standing behind the camera at home. Question 6. Yes, I have to move this. You can't see this. Yeah. Question 6. Yeah. Yeah, question 6. I'll read that again, question 6. Mn plus 4m plus 3n plus 8mn. Can you do this collect like term for me? This is year 10. Question 7. 9x negative 3x. Question 8. 12x negative 15x. And question 9. 6x squared plus 3a. Sorry, 6a squared plus 3a plus 3a squared negative a. Question 10. M negative 4n plus 6m negative 3n. Can you do this job? Number 6, 7, 8, and 9, and 10, please. Okay? I need to wrap it out in this question. In the left-hand side, question 3, 4, and 5, please. Remember this is year 10. Teaching in Australia, please. Let me see the time. You got only 20 minutes left. Okay? Can you do question 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10 for me? We got only 20 minutes left, and now I give you my solution in question 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10, and each question receive one marks from me. Question number 6. Collect like term. So MN and IMN, we collect like term first. So the answer is question 6 like this. MN, okay, plus 8MN plus 4M plus 3N. 3N. So the answer in this question 6 is 9MN plus 4M plus 3N. Underline, this is the answer. Question 7. 6x negative 3x give you 6x. So that's the answer. Question 8. 12x negative 15x give you negative 3. Question 8. 12x negative 15x give you negative 3x. That's the answer. Question 9. We collect underline 6a squared and 5a squared. So when we collect together, we got 11a squared plus 2a. That's the answer. Question 10. We collect like term together. So M and M. So the answer is here is 7M negative 7N. That's the answer. This question is 1 mark. I checked that again. Announcement, we got only 15 minutes left. Question 6. MN plus AMN, we collect like term plus 4M plus 3N. The answer is 9MN plus 4M plus 3N. Yes. Question 7. 9x give, take away 3x, give you 6x. Yes. Question 8. 12x negative 15x give you negative 3x. Yes. Question 9. 6a squared plus 3a plus 5a squared negative a. collect like term 6a squared plus 5a squared give you 11a squared plus 2a, because 3a negative a give you 2a. So the answer is yes. And the last one, m negative 4n plus 6m negative 3n. We collect like term, we got m plus 6m, negative 4n, take away 3n. The answer is 7m, negative 7n. Say that again. 7m, because 6m plus 1m give you 7m, negative 7n. The answer is correct, yes. So question 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 is excellent. Announcement, we got only 10 minutes left. I gave you question 11, 12, and 13. Please, question 11. 24m squared and plus 6mn negative 3m squared and plus mn equal what? Question 11. Question 12, please. A plus b squared negative 4ab plus 3a negative b squared negative 2ab. Answer this question for me, please. And question 13. 6 plus 9a negative 4a squared negative 3 negative 2a squared negative a. I need to answer question 11, 12, and 13, please. Boys and girls. And I come to behind the camera and read that again. Question 11. 24m squared n plus 6mn negative 3m squared n plus mn. You need to collect like term in this question 11, boys and girls. Question 12. A plus b squared negative 4ab plus 3a negative b squared negative 2ab. I need your answer now, please. Question 13. 6 plus 9a negative 4a squared negative 3 negative 2a squared negative a. I need your answer now in left hand side. This scenario, please. Okay? Yes. I need question 11 and 12 and 13. Each question I gave you 1 mark. 1 minute. So you got 3 minutes to do that job. Please. Announcement, we got only 10 minutes left. Boys and girls. Question 11, please. You do not allow to use calculator, please. Question 11. 24m squared n plus 6mn negative 3m squared n plus mn. Question 12, please. A plus b squared negative 4ab plus 3a negative b squared negative 2ab. Question 13. 6 plus 9a negative 4a squared negative 3 negative 2a squared negative a. All I need you to do, collect like term, topic year 10 mathematics teaching in Australia. Today is Tuesday, 23rd of August, year 2022, teaching in Australia. This private, this voluntary. I do not take your money. This is for voluntary job. Okay? Voluntary jobs. Yes, remember that, teaching for poor kids in Vietnam. So you can do study with me in YouTube for free. Okay? Now I gave you solution and answer in question 11 and 12 and 13, and I wish you all the best. I gave you solution question 11 now, please. Collect like term. So 24m squared and negative 3m square n. That's correct line term. So the answer is here is 24 m square n negative 3m square n plus 6mn plus mn. The answer is 21 m square n plus 7 mn. Underline this and write answer to this answer. Question 12. We collect line term. Yes? So we got here line term is I plus 3a negative 4ab negative 2ab. Give you the answer is 4a negative 6ab. That's the answer of question 12. Right answer. So the last question, so you got here, if negative 4a square, negative 2a square, plus 9a, negative a, plus 6, negative 3, collect line term. So you got negative 6a square, plus 8a, plus 3. That's the answer, right answer. Okay, so question 11, 12, and 13. Okay, I say that again. I check that question 11. The answer is 21 m square n plus 7 mn. Yes. Question 12. The answer is 4a negative 6ab. Yes. Question 13. The answer is negative 6a square plus 8a plus 3. Yes. Boys and girls. Yes. So all we need that to do exercise, to have a look at that again. Okay. I'll read that question in 11 and then we say that again. 24m square n plus 6mn negative 3m square n plus mn. The answer is 21m square n plus 7mn. Question 12. A plus b square negative 4ab plus 3a negative b square negative 2ab. The answer is 4a negative 6ab. Question 13. 6 plus 9a negative 4a square negative 3 negative 2a square negative 8. The answer is negative 6a square plus 8a plus 3. That's the answer. Okay, yes. Okay, I have to remove the yes. I have to remove my camera. Okay, and I say goodbye to you because time now, boys and girls. And see you tomorrow. My teaching only 60 minutes or nearly time. I got only 5 minutes. So I have to stand in front of you and say something to say goodbye to you, boys and girls. Please. Okay? Let me know that nearly time. I have to say goodbye. My teaching duration only 60 minutes, please. Time to say bye-bye to everybody. I come from this country, Australia. My name is Nguyen. Yes. So I'll let you know that teaching my curriculum, teaching in year 10, teaching in Australia, and I do not speak Vietnamese. Okay, this is the lesson preparation for all of you boys and girls, the age of 15 years of age and 16 years of age. Boys and girls study in Australia mathematics, we call maths teaching for year 10. And thank you so much for boys and girls. I remember that teaching here in year 10. And to study in my class, you must pass year 9 last year. If you cannot sit down for exam for year 9, you can't study this math. Okay? This math preparation for higher math is called advanced mathematics. To study engineering science, become a teacher, math teacher, because you study medicine, become a doctor, a scientist, or chemist, you name it, biologist. You study science and math and chemistry and physics and chemistry. Say that again. This math is teachings for free. Remember that I do not take any cents of money from you, from USA, from YouTube. Voluntary job teaching for you, for boys and girls in Vietnam, in remote area country. You do not have money to go to school, to study international college. When you sit down to study in Vietnam or go overseas for year 10, you have to pay 12,000 US dollars per year for year 12. And now go very high in year 10, now 18,000 or 20,000 study in USA or in Australia or England. Because this course study in high school is so very expensive now. So therefore, I am teaching you in Vietnam by YouTube in year 10 international mathematics. I have 30 years experience as a private teacher at home. My students finish uni with me. Most of them finish TAFE and college and uni. Some of them got master and PhD degree now, and their salary very high. One of my students teaching from year 4 in primary school up to year 12, he is qualified a bachelor and master engineering or mining in Australia. And his salary, I do not let you know the name of that my student. It's 160,000 per year. I say that again. My student got master degree in engineering mining. And his salary per year, 160,000 Australian dollar, equivalent to 130,000 US dollar per year. Once again, I want to say thank you so much for boys and girls attending my class. This is year 10. I teach year 10, 11, and year 12 for free. Once again, thank you so much. And hopefully you understand that if you do not understand English, you can't study in my class. And I give you all the solution. And hopefully my lesson can appear in Vietnam, so you can sit down, mom and dad, or brother and sister can study this and pass the knowledge for you, and you do not need to pay for me. 1 hour teaching in high school for this math, the government pay me 50 to 60 Australian dollar per hour. It means you study with me in this hour, you need to pay me 50 to 60 dollars per hour. But this is for free. I do not charge you any cents. Once again, thank you so much. My name is Nguyen, the private tutor teaching in Australia from year 7 to year 12. Okay, I have come from this country. Time for me to say goodbyes for boys and girls. Do this and you comment below that. You can write in Vietnamese, okay? But when I teach in English. Okay, thank you so much, boys and girls. Time to say goodbye to you. 60 minutes past already. See you tomorrow. Remember that you do not pay me anything. Okay, I have to check again and time to say goodbye to you. 60 minutes past. Okay, yes. Boys and girls, I need to stop my camera now and I need to prepare, introduce, upload to YouTube so you can sit down at home in Vietnam and study with me. Enjoy my study year 10, teaching in Australia, New Zealand, England, USA, Canada, you name it. Bye-bye. My name is Nguyen. Good morning, America and Vietnam. Good morning, Australia and Vietnam. Good morning, New Zealand, Vietnam. My name is Nguyen. Good morning to you, especially in Hanoi, capital city of Vietnam, and Ho Chi Minh City, namely Saigon, Vietnam, and 63 cities in Vietnam. My name is Nguyen. Remember that I do not speak Vietnamese in this lesson. Bye-bye, boys and girls. See you tomorrow. This is Year 10 Mathematics teaching for free in Vietnam.